Hi, this is Trinity from TC Communications. Each month, we like to highlight a case study that we think you might find interesting. For this month, read about how the Northwest Iowa Power Cooperative has simplified its network by placing most of its Ethernet traffic on a common platform using TC Communications JumboSwitch. Northwest Iowa Power Cooperative installed its first SONET ring network in the mid-1990s and its first redundant gigabit Ethernet ring network about a decade later. Today, they use a combination of Ethernet, microwave, and SONET for its communications transport. Read about some of their immediate benefits from upgrading with the JumboSwitch network, including AMR, Teleprotection and telecommunications over to IP, simple maintenance, monitoring and repair, and Ethernet rate limiting. Also, please watch our 5-minute video about this fascinating case.